Hello, welcome. This is Dr. Irene from Bontavita, the authorized dealer of Saladmaster in Kenya. Today I'm gonna show you how the Saladmaster cooking system works. Saladmaster is an American company established 70 plus years ago, and they are the manufacturer of this very special cooking system that helps us cooking with no oil, no water, and below the boiling point. And it is scientifically designed so that we can preserve more nutrients, protect the integrity of the food, and prevent of contamination because of the quality of the metal it's made of, called 316 titanium. Are you ready to go? Let's do it. Let's start with our vegetables without water. I'm gonna use this 11-inch skillet, which is very useful for this purpose. And to cut the vegetables, here we go with our Saladmaster food processor. So if you haven't upgraded your kitchen with the Model 2020 grater, this is the right time. It comes with 5 different cones so that you can use any shape you like. It is a detachable machine, so you can place it anywhere in your kitchen, and as long as the surface is clean and dry, these suction valves keep it stable and safe. So we're gonna start with our cabbage, and I'm gonna use cone number 5. Ready? The cabbage is this one. We are not cutting the internal part because this is also very nutritious, and we are ready to go. So this machine normally is something that you can buy, or it is a gift that Saladmaster gives to all the customers, like give them customers. Because we like rainbow colors in our vegetables, we are gonna add more vegetables, so a bit of red cabbage in here. And if you like to have carrots and a bit of orange, then we can add this. And look at the shape. Isn't that amazing? If you want to change shape, you can also put within the finger guard and the cone, the carrot, so you can get a different shape. We'll add some butternut squash, so I will change the cone and use cone number 3. And watch. Voila! It peels automatically. I have some frozen peas, so this just to demonstrate that with Saladmaster you can cook from fresh and from frozen. Here we go. So this is our vegetables. You can mix them or you can leave them separately, and we are gonna cook them completely with no water. This happens because our system is designed so that the steam coming from the vegetables is gonna hit this audio vapor valve. When the temperature hits 86 degrees, this valve will start making noise and it will alert you. Come and reduce the heat. So when we start cooking in Saladmaster, we always start at medium heat. Click and you go into low. Medium, click, low. Medium, click, low. Isn't that easy? Congratulations, you have learned how to use Saladmaster. When we start cooking, because we are in a rush of cooking fast, we normally use high heat. But in Saladmaster we start with medium. So this is our medium fire, and our vegetables are gonna be cooked, and we will wait till it's gonna be clicking. It is chicken time, and to grill and fry our chicken, today we are gonna use the 12-inch electric skillet. In our company, we call it the bad boy, because every woman loves it, so you might love it as well. This electric skillet has something very special inside. I'm not sure if you can hear. There is some liquid, and this liquid is oil, food grade oil, which is used to warm up this electric skillet. And you can see it is hot. The water is dancing. You can choose any temperature with this electric skillet. So you can go from 65 to 230 degrees, up or down. This is also a rice cooker. So either you want to cook brown rice or white rice, you just put water, rice, plug it in and go. It will cook for you. And it has got also a timer, so you can decide for how long you want to cook your meal. We'll do the chicken now, but you can cook so many other things, like pizza, like meat, fish, popcorn, you name it, vegetables, and you can also bake in this electric skillet. The most interesting thing about Saladmaster is the material, 316 titanium, which will allow you not to add any oil in your pan. Would you be interested in cooking with less and less oil? So that's it. You just put the meat in the pan and it cooks by itself. Can you see some oil coming out already? So where does it come from? Is it the pan or is it the chicken that needs the oil? So most of the times people use oil because the pan needs it. But with Saladmaster, we cook the oil out of the food rather than into the food. Which option do you prefer? This is the clicking of our audio vapor bulb from Saladmaster. So the next step is reducing the heat. So from medium we go into low. And that's how we keep cooking. There is a seal which has been formed because of the steam. The vapor of the food creates a seal of water, and for this reason there is no air going in, there is no air coming out. This becomes an airtight container and it cooks in a semi-vacuum environment. If I try to open this, I will feel there is suction coming from it. This means less heat, more nutrients remaining. Most people wonder, is it like a pressure cooker? No, it is opposite. With pressure cooking, there is more pressure, there is more heat, and we destroy more nutrients. It's time to bake now. I have a cake mix already prepared. You can make it at home from scratch, or you can be lazy like me and buy one. So, to bake in Saladmaster, it's simply mixing the ingredients, and instead of putting the oven on to preheat it, in Saladmaster we don't need any oven. We are gonna use the stove. So this is sugar, flour. We are gonna add some eggs. You can even deshell your eggs, mind it. You can use the salad machine to deshell the eggs. Here we go. And I will add a little bit of carrot just because I like adding some vegetables in the butter. And a bit of apple. Because I'm not using oil, I'm replacing the oil with some of the vegetables. Here we go. This is gonna be a very sweet cake. You can put your hands in the food processor, it will not cut you. You can put your hands in here, so it is very safe as long as you don't put the fingers in here. And ready? We'll mix it. Our mixture is ready. We haven't added any oil, but in Saladmaster you can cook any type of cake you wish. What is important is that we are not using any oven at all, Our oven is Saladmaster. Today I'm baking in the 1.5 quart, but you can use any shape, and the bigger the cake, the bigger the pan. I've used a little bit of coconut oil just to smear the pan, and I'm gonna use the smallest stove. This is how you're gonna use your burner for cooking any cake and for baking in Saladmaster. So you start from low. We are gonna preheat our small Saladmaster oven for 2-3 minutes. You just want the oil to be warmed up, and after that we can pour our cake mix. Most of the times we use a big oven to bake a small cake, while with Saladmaster you just use the size of the cake, of the pan, for cooking the cake that you like. Let's check whether the vegetables are ready. We have been waiting for approximately 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Our vegetables are done. What do you notice about the color of this food? Can you notice how the volume remained very similar to the original one? Most of the times we buy a whole cabbage, we cook it, it becomes half cabbage, then we eat cabbage and there is no cabbage in the cabbage. I wish you could taste the sweetness of carrots. The sweetness is still there. Reason being because we didn't add any water. And most of the times when we add water in our vegetables, certain vitamins will go into the water, changing the color of the vegetable, and the minerals, which give taste and flavor to the food, they will also go to the water, and they will be gone when they're supposed to go into our body. So can you see the difference when we use Saladmaster for cooking our vegetables without water? I wish you could taste this, but you can only taste when you have Saladmaster into your home. We have been cooking the chicken for approximately 15 minutes at 230 degrees. We have been keeping the lid cracked like this because when you close it, it steams the food. And because we wanted the golden color of the chicken, you can leave it like that. So the chicken is here. It's brown. As you can see, it can turn very easily. It doesn't stick. And you can use any utensil. A fork is okay, because this material is fine. It will not peel off like other materials, like plastic, cellophane. So we'll add something nice on top of it so that you can taste the natural taste of the chicken without any drop of oil. It's time to cut our onions. I normally use cone number 2. So this is our onion. I hope I will not become emotional. Sometimes you can, sometimes you don't. Here we go. This is the shape of our onion. You can see. But if you want to have a bigger shape, you can use any other color Saladmaster. So this is gonna be added into our chicken. And because I will add also a bit of apple. If you haven't tested the apple and onion sauce, make sure you see one of these demonstrations, and we're gonna cook for you this. And most importantly, you can prepare the chicken like this all the time if you have the Saladmaster product. Our chicken is brown. I will spice it up with some black pepper. Again, you can use any recipe you like. Doesn't have to be this one. And if you want to have it with soup, you can add water, no problem. So a bit of fresh oregano. And our sauce is going to be here. If you like to add a bit of soy sauce, you can as well. And we are going to now reduce the heat to 85 degrees because we want to keep the moisture of the vegetables inside. Let's check our cake. Wow, it's growing. The beautiful thing about baking in Saladmaster is that you can open and close and the cake will not flop, which is different compared than when you use the oven, because the moment you open the oven, all the heat will go. With Saladmaster, the intermediate layer, which is the aluminium, distributes the heat evenly, 360 degrees, and that's the reason why Saladmaster can bake anything. Let's check now the cake. Wow, the cake is ready. Have a look. Amazing. This cake is gonna be delicious, and I can promise it's gonna take a shorter time to eat it than to prepare it. It's done. You can decide for how long to cook it. It depends how brown you like it, but this chicken is cooked to the bone. This is delicious. If you want to know more about Saladmaster, and if you want to learn how to prepare a healthy meal for the rest of your life, for your family, you can contact us. We can do a demonstration for you, maybe physical, maybe virtual, but the most important thing is that you know about it and you get started now.